Kempchen. That means more than 120 years of expertise and innovation in the field of sealing technology. Gasket joints and flanges are part of countless plants. The requirements for bolted flange connections will increase in future. Sealing behavior is characterized by the interaction of many factors. In the scope of European agreement, the EN 1591 standard was introduced. With it, seal calculation methods and the training of assembly works were also standardized. To ensure the standardized training of technicians in your company, Kempchen provides basic training in accordance with pre-EN 1591 Part 4 and all further training modules. The basic module consists of theoretical and practical lessons that are taught by experienced application consultants and engineers from Kempchen. In the theoretical part, trainees develop a basic knowledge of various flanges, gaskets, and bolts. In the practice, they learn to install gaskets on various types of flanges. The training concentrates on questions concerning everyday installation work, such as which factors should be considered when dealing with different scenarios, how should a gasket be installed correctly, or which tools and methods should be used. Working with torque key and its correct usage are practiced intensively so that the required torque is applied effectively. Practical tests demonstrate how screws behave in different states of lubrication, for example coated, uncoated, or lubricated. It is made clear that built-in force I transferred by the torque causes different bolt forces. Also, the dependency on bolt force and lever action and the actual surface pressure associated with it is visualized on the seal. Following the training, test questions are asked. After passing the theoretical and practical exam, seal fitters receive a certificate from an independent expert. This certificate, along with an identity card, prove the recipient's competence in the installation of bolted joints under the scope of pre-EN 1591 Part 4. Kempchen training takes place at our sites in Oberhausen, Leuna, and Augsburg. We can also come to you on request. Our complete training equipment is portable and can also be used in your company. Kempchen, seal experts. More information can be found on our website.